Once upon a time, there was a frog named Pip who had a very big problem. Every time he burped, and he burped a lot, flowers popped out of his mouth. Pink ones, purple ones, once, a whole bouquet of sunflowers. His friends thought it was disgusting. His mom thought it was beautiful. One day, Pip burped so hard at school that flowers filled the entire classroom. The teacher said, "Pip, what do you have to say for yourself?" Pip opened his mouth to apologize, and burped out a giant red rose.